Hi, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, we will be looking at different ways to contact support to report any issues you might be experiencing. First, we ask that you attempt to troubleshoot the issue by even walking back through your steps to validate that it is indeed an issue. You'll be surprised at how many support tickets are created due to simple human error. Now, there are two ways to report an issue to support. The first way is using the help link located at the top of your dashboard. Now, when you hover your mouse over the help link, you're going to see three different links, two of them which are related to the support. Now, your tickets link will take you to all of the tickets you have that are either opened, in progress, answered, or solved. Selecting the support link will take you to the support page. Now, please remember that support offers assistance 24/7 when creating a ticket, whereas chat is only available during business hours. Just like many other support pages, you have a few options here that are considered some common issues. First, look to see if you can remedy the issue by exploring through some of the options on this page. If you cannot, then proceed to selecting other topics. Now, sometimes there are system updates where certain tools are either relocated or enhanced. A good way to stay up to date with these enhancements is to simply check out weekly blog updates by clicking on the Updates button. Here is your Builderall blog. You can check for affiliate updates, and you can also check your software system updates. Super cool. I would highly advise that you bookmark this page and frequent it every week. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and move forward by selecting other topics. As indicated on the top of the page, please remember to be as detailed as possible regarding your inquiry. Please also consider using one of the two tools down below to either capture a screenshot image or a screen recording of what you are reporting. Upon completion of capturing an image or a screen recording, you will be provided with a link that you can easily share with the Builderall support team to help better communicate the issues you are experiencing. Here's the image tool that you can go in and download. And again, as you capture an image, it will also translate to a link that you can share with support. Now, if you want to do a video recording or a screen capture, this will do the exact same thing. It will capture your screen, and then it will create a link that you too can share with support. Now let's create the ticket. From the drop-down menu, select Support. That's the only option right now. Enter a subject, and then enter your detailed message with a link to either your screen or video capture, and press the Send button. Now, the second way to contact support is through the chat bubble, found hovering on the lower right of your screen. Let's take you back to your dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, as you can see, the chat bubble is down here hovering on the lower right of your screen. If you click on that, now you have the same options. This is the second way to access on how to connect with support. At the very top here, you have FAQs. Here you can send a message, or you can trigger the live chat function. Now remember, this is only available during business hours. So if we select the live chat feature, all you have to do is go in here and share the details as well as a link. And then from the department area, go ahead and select your language and start chat. And an amazing Builderall support leader will be connecting with you to help resolve your issue. Now, for a quick recap, in today's video, we went over the two different ways you can contact Builderall support. We also went over the importance of being detailed in your support tickets by also using the screen capture tool known as IMGBB or the video screen recording tool known as Loom. We also went over how to access your opened, in progress, answered, and solved tickets. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. Have a great day.